Well, today I would like to reveal a viral video copy and paste CPA marketing free traffic method for beginners. Yes, this is a really interesting video. If you are a beginner in this CPA marketing field and advanced user also can get some good tips from this video and this method as well. So I'm going to show you how you can make videos. Yes, you do not need to face any camera, you do not need to do anything, you do not need to learn a video editing, you do not need to write any copywriting and anything else. You just simply do, and I'm going to show you this is the automated process, and you will make videos and you can upload it to a site I'm going to reveal in this video, which is a really good site. It's not YouTube. Simply you can get those huge amount of traffic to your video without any problem. So all it is can be done automatically by yourself without learning any more technical skills. So this video is going to be interesting, so stay with me. Without wasting any more of your time, I'm going to show you how we are going to pick products and make videos and upload those videos to sites that I'm going to reveal in the later part of this video. So stay with me. I'm going to show you the first website, as we need something to make videos, right? So we need to promote something. So we are interested in digistore.com. Yes, it's a top ranked marketplace of affiliates and affiliated products and make money online methods and all sort of products like that. So if you go over to digistore24.com, you can I picked this website. You can pick any websites out there. There are lots like clickbank.com. You can go there. You can target CPA marketing, as we are targeting CPA. You can go to cpalead.com and register there. You can also go to cpagrip.com and register there. All is just register and ready to go. You do not need any approval, you do not need any reviews. You simply just sign up and start making money by promoting products that are really solid, trusted and legit things that people will interested to buy, and you can make commissions and good earning opportunity this is. So if you go over to digistore24.com, you can see that there are more sales, less work. So they are already having a proven trusted products listed in their marketplace that you can work with right away. It's just out of the box method. So if you just go over to their marketplace, you can see that there are lots of categories. You can pick any categories, but as we are recommending make money online products, you can pick business and investment categories, or you can just go over to jobs and employment or internet marketing and e-business. So I clicked on internet marketing and e-business, and you can see that they have some products that are really good for internet marketers and e-business developers, and they can earn a decent amount of money. So if for example, if I just go over to Tube Mastery, this product is a really good product. So if there are some promote now, if you are registered here, you can just click on promote now to get the affiliate link right away to promote this product. But we are interested to make videos about this product. So how we are going to do that? We are going to go to their websites, how the product is working, what is the features of this product. So if you just click on the sales page here, there is a sales page and affiliate support page. So we are interested in sales page, so we click on sales page. This is the product sales page. This is the link there. The product owner is Matt Parr. So this is how it is, how according to his statement, how I run 9 different profitable YouTube channels and make 6 figures from them. So this is a really good make money online methods. If you are interested to make money making YouTube videos, this product is really a gem. You can just go and buy this product and work with Matt Parr to earn a decent amount of money and from YouTube. But we are interested to sell this product. So how we are going to sell it? We are going to make videos. So you can see that if you just scroll down, you can see that this sales page already got some good content about the product, how this product is going on, how you can go through the course and all the features and all the bonuses and benefits you can see listed in this web page, so this sales page. So how we're going to go and make videos of it. So we have picked a product. This is the phase 1. So in the phase 2 we are making videos, but without any worries. I'm going to show you the easy and automatic way, and without worry you can make a video without any copyright problem, without any article writing, without any script writing, without facing any cameras, without knowing about how to edit videos. You can make videos. So let me introduce you the site, which is called lumen5.com. yes, this is lumen5.com. is a really good AI based site that can make video automatically using AI. So this is a really, we are living in the AI world, so why not try that? Why not do, why we do hard work? We can work smart. So simply you can just go over to Lumen 5. This is easy sign up process. You can just fill a simple form, or if you have a Facebook, you can just simply click and register there in within seconds. So if you registered there, you will go to the dashboard like this. You see the dashboard, you can see you can make instant videos, you can make brand videos, you can also get there are lots of templates out there. So if you just click on new videos here, they are going to show some templates to work with. So they are showing you some templates you can choose from. But for this video, if I just click on skip this template portion, then it will load something like this. This is the blank template of the editor window, and you can see that they are asking for paste a URL to your blog or article. So this is it, guys. You have to just copy the link of the text of the page that contains the page. So if you go over to this page, and I just simply copy the link of it, simply copy the link of this page and paste it here like this and hit import. So here you can see that it already loaded the text from that page. You can see the sales page of fully loaded here as a text format. So if you edit text, if you don't like some text, you can just delete it or edit it or something like that. It's very easy. So simply this is you can see that all the text, all the page, you can simply select and delete. If you do not want that part, you can simply edit or delete it. That's it. So we are not going to do that. We are just simply showing you how this works. So if we just click on convert to video, this is the button here. So if I just click on convert to video, the AI will start working here, and all the text, it will analyze the text and try to make slides, videos and animations automatically with images and videos that are free, copyright free. You can use those in any media you like. So simply you can see that how fast the AI is. You can see the video is ready with your text. Simply you can see that the video is ready with the videos and animations, and you can also use like music, and you can also read through the script. You can record your own voiceover if you want. If you want to record your own voice, you can simply do that as well. But without that, it's working as well without any problem. You do not have to record anything. Click on musics here. You can use their musics, background music. Click on it and it will be replaced in the background music sections. And you can see that if simply this is the way if your video is ready without any editing. Isn't it awesome? You simply just preview it. You can see that how the text appears, how the video appears, and it will be all right to you. Also, you can change the way it is. You can change the pages here. You can delete it, you can add it, or you can edit the text as well if you do not like that. But this is the way, this is the easy process to make a video. Your video is ready to roll and sell these products. This is the sales pitch of this product as we are selling this product. So how we are going to use that? So if we simply ready with that video we are making, so simply click on publish button here. If you just click on publish button here, it will process the publishing and make the video, and it will show you that it will render the video. So it will take some time to render this video because this is a time consuming process, but it will not take more than 5 minutes of your time. So here you are, our video is ready to roll. So this already it automatically has downloaded that video to my PC. You can click on download to download it as well. So without any problem, this video is already will be loaded into your dashboard as well. So if I refresh my dashboard, you can see that my newly created video is listed here. You can edit the title, and you can also download it from here as well. So what you can do is just simply go to the third phase where the traffic comes in. So we are going to use a YouTube like site, but it's not YouTube, it's called BitChute.com. BitChute.com is a really good website right now. You can promote any videos here without any worries. You can just go and paste and upload your videos. You just simply hit on register, you can and simple form fill up and hit sign up, and you are good to go with BitChute.com to upload your videos. And you can see that people are uploading lots of interesting videos and viral videos here. And you can see that if I just go over to their ranking sections on SimilarWeb, you can see that in SimilarWeb this website is getting monthly visits of 42 million. So this is a really huge traffic to go for, and you can upload your videos, and you can see that you can make lots of videos, and you simply change some text and you can make multiple videos like this and upload it to BitChute. And in the descriptions or in the comment sections, you paste the affiliate link of this page, and where people see these videos and they are interested in, if they want to buy it, they can go through the descriptions and or comments links, and you can make money if they purchase that product. And I am sure if you pick this product, these products are really tested and really good products to promote, and people will definitely buy it who are interested in. So this is opportunity is limitless. The more videos you upload, more traffic you will get to your links, and more money you can make to your affiliate links. And this is the way you can use Digistore24, you can use clickbank.com, you can use CPA lead, you can use CPA grip, any website that are present right now. All these are trusted and 100% legit website to work with. So simply pick any affiliate marketplace and register there and pick a product and upload videos, making videos and upload it to BitChute.com. This is the way you have to work smart, not work hard. So this is the goal. If you're liking this method, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well. Thanks for watching.